Now this is a unicorn, okay? So I want to introduce you to somebody.
Hey everybody.
What's your name?
John.
John's got a unicorn M2 here.
Yeah, so, I mean...
As the story goes.
Basically, I'm the second owner. The first owner was General Motors. I got lucky, some random dealership in South Jersey had it. They got it from an auction. I got it with 7,000 miles on it. And it came with a lot of M Performance parts, such as this hood.
This is an M Performance hood.
Yeah. What's cool about this hood is the power dome, similar to like the M3 and M4 from this generation. I love that power dome.
Yep, it's got the aggressive power dome.
Yeah, also pretty rare. It's got the fenders.
Okay, now here's something that we haven't seen, we've never seen before.
Yeah.
What does it look like up close if you do the M Performance fenders? Here it is.
Some brake cooling there.
And you can see how that goes. Now I've seen these panels. I don't know how easy or hard they are to attach or put on. They're still available. And I like it.
Yeah, I like them too. What this car needs is the carbon roof, which, I've already gotten quoted on.
Somebody that you would actually be brave enough to
there's one shop in
peel
New Jersey.
the seams?
Yes.
Who does that?
There's a shop in Linden, New Jersey called AMS Auto Works.
Okay.
I haven't gotten the job done yet, but I've researched them thoroughly. They do it on a ton of different cars, E46s, E92s, and F87s. They've done carbon roof replacements. $3,300 is what I got for a quote. So
33 for the labor.
18 for the labor, 15 for the roof, 33 total.
Now that might be an aftermarket M roof.
It's
right?
What it is RKP.
An RKP.
And what's cool about that roof that I like a lot is they actually scanned it from the F82 M4. They literally scanned the M4 roof and downsized it to the M2. That's why I want to do it. I love the way that looks. And with the trunk, the fenders, and the hood, you need, in my opinion, you need the carbon roof to complete it. But yeah, this trunk.
See, now this is the M Performance trunk here. I don't know that I have the light.
Check this out. It's so lightweight.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Look how lightweight it is. And here it's got the attachments where you can put the rear spoiler, the M Performance spoiler, so you don't have to do any drilling.
Yeah, exactly.
Which I had trouble getting anybody that was willing to do that kind of work.
Not surprised. But
no BMW dealers were willing to even take that on. So how much weight does the M Performance trunk save?
That's a good question. I want to say, I don't want to misspeak on camera, but I know that it's pretty significant compared to the standard trunk. Mm-hmm. My goal with this car is really, I'm inspired by
May
this.
I? May I
Absolutely. Yeah. Here, let me.
Okay, so.
And when it closes, you can feel it feels a little weird when it's closing. You see that?
Right, because now there's a lot of tension from the hydraulic here.
What I don't know is
support here.
When they put this on, I don't know if they use the correct tension struts or whatever holds this up. I think this might be the ones from the original trunk. That's why it feels a little funny. You kind of have to, you just push it like it's a little weird. I don't know. You have to feel it.
Right. So technically, instead of using the stock struts, something with a little less tension.
Yeah, it feels a little
So
funny.
you have to put a little bit more pressure down if you use the originals.
Yeah.
Well, this is the first time I've gotten to see it. It definitely looks better. Okay, so why is it that nobody gets to see these side panels? I haven't seen them because nobody's got the balls enough, the cojones, to take the damn panel off and replace it with this. It looks amazing. I'm not afraid anymore. But if you want to know, is it functional? Yeah, take a look in. It sure does have function. And the venting goes right into the brakes. So you get a little extra cooling. So there's a functional purpose.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah.